For Jesus Christ.
Thank you, Jesus.
Can we ever stop doing good? No, that is our pin code. We were ministry yesterday and the Lord opened my eyes via prophecy. I brought out a man. After prophesying, the Lord said, give him 100,000 naira. And I want to follow you up. I want to follow up your salvation. Is the person in church today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the guy. That's the guy. Pastor Philemon, please come. Pastor Dictoni, please come. Pastor Nee, come. This is the 100,000 naira that the Lord said I should give him. Let me say I get the money, but I can't hear God speak, and I pretend as if I did not hear Him. I'm not one of them. I'm giving you this 100,000 naira. You will give it to him after service. But before you give it to him, I want you to get his data. Better still, follow him, know where he lives. I want to know his family. I want to know everything about him. God said I should pick him. I should follow him up. Power! It's a destiny that the family member want to destroy. And God said no. Give him this to start up life. Then from there, we'll take it off from there. So I hand it over to you as the main leader of the church. My son, please come closer. So after service, these 3 men will meet you. They will discuss with you. They'll get your data. They'll follow you to your house. Know where you live, where you stay, see your family. Then in the presence of your wife, you hand it over to him. Say, from the church, through our prophet, they give to your husband. When I start something, then we'll make arrangement on how to go to his house again for prayers. Pray for you and your family, and everything will be fine. Thank you. Put your hands together for Jesus, everybody.
Prophetic general.
Stand to your